Hey Drinks and Drippers, welcome to another episode. Today we have our first versus battle. Now, when you get excited, you say, what's the versus battle, Justin? Well, the versus battle is we're going to pit two men's clothing subscription boxes against each other, and we're going to give you the final winner. So today's episode, we are going to show you Stitchfix versus Bombfell. Now, today we're unboxing Bombfell, and then we're going to give you our final call on which one's better, Stitchfix versus Bombfell. Now, before we open this, I'm going to let you know that in a lot of respects they're very similar. So we'll start with the basics. Stitchfix, you don't pay unless you keep it, except for a $20 styling fee, which is identical to Bombfell. I don't know which one started first, but again, you're going to do that $20 out of pocket. That's your styling fee. And what's going to happen is, and we're going to cue some footage here, you're going to go through and do your selections, what your size is, what kind of clothes you like, what kind of brand you wear. Very similar to Stitch Fix. I would say not identical, but almost the same. So in that respects, we're going to say no difference. Same styling fee, same type of setup for customization. Now here's where it gets a little different. Before this box came, they actually let me preview a few of the items, and you can do surprise me, or I don't know why I did this, surprise me. It actually is a surprise. So you can do surprise me, or you can actually do the preview, say no, I don't really want that. And so I did that. There was a few items I didn't really want. It's super easy. Some stylists will email you, and you just keep kicking it back until you like it, and then you say go ahead and ship it. So it comes to you. It was actually pretty quick. Once it actually got processed, I guess depending on where you live, it only took like 2 days. So we got the box here, and so actually I know what's in here. So to me, this kind of comes down to what your preference is, but I gotta say, I like the surprise. Part of an unboxing is kind of not knowing what you're gonna get. That's why mystery boxes are so popular on YouTube. So I gotta say, although it might make more sense to know what you're getting, I like the mystery. So I would say surprise me, even though I decided to kind of customize and pick it. And so we can kind of see how that worked out for me. So let's open it up. Okay, now what you're going to see here on this sheet, and I'll try to scan it to make it a little bigger, is same as Stitch Fix. You're going to see the items here. You're going to see what they would cost you. Now here's a difference. So here's another difference. In Stitch Fix, you have to buy the whole freaking box to get the 20% discount. And like I said in the previous video, I don't think Stitch Fix is worth it if you don't get the 20% discount, because then it's like MSRP, which is like a fake price. No one pays MSRP. But with Bombfell, if you keep 2, you get 10%. If you keep 3, you get 15%. If you keep 4, then you get 20%. So you might not get as much percent overall, but you could have the option if you like 2 pieces, 3 pieces, 4 pieces, whatever. And again, like Stitch Fix, if you return it all, no shipping, you're just at your $20 styling fee. So in that respect, that's a really good part of the deal. Okay, so you get the grade level discounts, and that's a benefit. This said if I were to get all the discounts, it would go from $341 down to $252. That's with the $20 credit for the styling that I already paid. So I got 5 items, and let's just go through these one at a time. Again, I had control of these, so shame on me if it didn't work out because I picked it. Now here are some suede-ish blue jean material, the black. So I thought these would look cool, kind of a sharp, kind of city look with suede. I haven't tried these on yet, but they feel really comfortable. Again, I never know if straight leg or slim is going to be good, but we're going to try these on. So these are like a black suede jean, and we're going to see how that turns out. But again, that's what I picked out. Next, again, I don't have any cool like t-shirts. Some of you might think that getting a t-shirt is kind of lame, but here's like just a black t-shirt with a lightning bolt. Pretty impressive, right? It's really soft, but the t-shirt is $36. I don't know about that for this t-shirt. I mean, it is soft. I'll put it on with other stuff, but you're gonna have to sell me. Again, with these discounts, it almost kind of doesn't seem worth it unless you get the whole box. But we got a black t-shirt with the lightning bolt. Now, these are some Lucky brand jeans. Hubbard is the dye of the jean. I'm sure you've heard of Lucky jeans. It's a very popular brand. These are straight fit. They're kind of like a dad wash, kind of a light denim. I don't know if that's still cool, but we're gonna try to see if that works out. I don't know. But I need some new blue jeans. These are Lucky's, kind of a light denim wash. And I asked her to find some jeans for me, and she did, so let's see what happens. Again, if you're a dude and you don't know what really fits you, this is a great way to kind of not have to go outside, spend your time at a mall, and see what works out for you. So, this is a t-shirt from Rich or Poorer. Again, it's just a white t-shirt. I don't know if that'll be worth it. It feels really soft. But again, the t-shirt is like a white t-shirt, and it's $38 for a white t-shirt. Come on. I mean, you better get some like Supreme or something crazy if you're going to pay $38 for a white t-shirt. But I picked it, so we'll see what happens. And we're down to our last item, which is a Penguin, which is a popular brand. Penguin shirt. It's a button-down short sleeve shirt. Now this has some nice kind of like summer spring colors. It's like white, teal, I think navy. It's got the little penguin guy on there. It says a Penguin shirt is $89. So, out of the box, we got some cool stuff. But one, does it fit? We'll do a miniature fashion show. So, we're going to do a fashion show. And then I'm going to do some footage from their website. Because what I'm going to do is actually do some investigation on the internet. And then we're going to make a decision on what we're going to keep, what we're not going to keep, if anything. Then I'm going to give you my final thoughts on comparing Stitchfix versus patches like this. Alright guys, I just wanted to show you real quick that this prices on this Bombfell are way out of line. I went on Nordstrom Rack and found prices 50%, even less than 50% of what I paid in the box. Lucky jeans, I typed in what I got, Penguin shirt, you can totally find it cheaper. Wow, what a find. So let's go back to the wrap up and I'll tell you what I think. Alright, so we're back. We did the fashion show, we did the investigation on the internet, and holy cow. You know, I didn't do an investigation after the Stitchfix, but, wow, didn't we find such a much better deal on the internet? Now, I appreciate Bombfell because it gave me some ideas of what brands to go for, but I'm not going to pay almost literally twice as much. You saw we got 2 pair of Lucky jeans and 2 Penguin shirts for like $160. And this right here for 5 pieces, with 2 of them being t-shirts, was going to be like $260. It's crazy. So I can't say, I don't know if I'm going to stick with the subscription boxes. I like the mystery, I like the help, but once I found some better deals on the internet, I don't know. But let's stick to the comparison. We're here because we're versing Bombfell versus Stitchfix. So who's going to win? So let's tally it up. First, styling fee. It's a draw. $20. It's taken off your total amount. That's a draw. Next, get a stylist. Same for both. Also a draw. Next is going to be the ability to peek. Now, I kind of give a thumbs up to Stitchfix because I don't want to peek. I picked all these and I didn't even buy any of them, so I can't be trusted. That's the whole point of me getting the subscription boxes, I can't be trusted. So we're going to give a down to Bombfell. Sorry for being able to sneak. I don't like that option. Now, discounts. Stitchfix 20%, but you have to buy all of them. Bombfell, you can get a 10 or 15% discount even if you buy 2 or 3. So, I would say that's a plus for Bombfell, but it's going to kind of come back and bite them in the butt, because let me tell you why. Because I think overall price-wise, I think that Bombfell is even a little more overpriced than Stitchfix. So I'm going to give Stitchfix the thumbs up on the overall price. And so at the end of the day, I'm going to have to give the win to Stitchfix. The mystery box is more fun. I think the stylists do a better job. I think the selection's a little better. And I don't know if it was just I had a good stylist with Stitchfix, but if you're asking me, Stitchfix versus Bombfell, I'm going to give you the thumbs up to Stitchfix. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and ring-a-ding-ding that bell real hard, because if you don't ring that bell, you're not going to see all the great content we have. We're doing videos on drinks and drips and shoes and sneakers. You got to stay tuned, because Thomas has got some great stuff coming at you. Like, subscribe, comment, tell us what you think. We're going to leave a link so you can get a discount for me if you use it. I'm not getting paid to promote it, but if you use one of the links, then I'll get the benefit. So thanks for watching. Have a great day. Drinks and drip. Peace.